The University of Houston football team's inaugural season in the Big 12 Conference this fall will feature visits to TDECU Stadium from in-state rivals Texas Christian and the University of Texas, with additional home league matchups against Cincinnati, Oklahoma State, and West Virginia. UH engineering professor Ganesh Thakur has been elected as the next vice president and eventual president of the Texas Academy of Medicine, Engineering, Science, and Technology. The organization brings together the state's best and brightest scientists and researchers to foster collaboration and advance research, innovation, and business in Texas. K67 Kiosks once served as newspaper stands, coffee shops, and post offices in the former Yugoslavia. Most were destroyed in war. A UH architecture professor spent years locating, restoring, and preserving these colorful pieces of history, one of which is on display on campus through May.